What's up everyone, it's Vikrant back with another video, handling career opportunities channel named Job Vacancy Provider, JVP, and today we're diving deep into the world of IT, but with a twist. We're about to uncover some of the most unusual yet insanely in demand IT jobs that 2025 has in store for us. So, if you're ready to have your mind blown and maybe even get a head start on your dream career path, then buckle up because things are about to get interesting. First up, we've got AI engineers. They're like the architects of the digital world, designing and building the brains of intelligent machines. Think self-driving cars, personalized medicine, even robots that can learn and adapt. And the demand for AI engineers is through the roof. Next, we're talking about machine learning, which is like the brainy little brother of AI. It's all about teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Imagine a computer that can analyze massive amounts of information and then make predictions or decisions based on what it's learned. And just like with AI engineers, the demand for machine learning experts is only going up. Now let's talk programming languages, specifically three that are absolutely dominating the IT landscape: Python, SQL, and Java. Python is super versatile, used for everything from web development to data analysis. SQL is the king of databases, essential for managing and analyzing all that valuable data. Now, if you're the kind of person who likes to wear multiple hats and have their hands in every aspect of a project, then full-stack development might be your calling. These are the true all-rounders of the IT world, capable of handling both the front end and the back end. And in today's fast-paced tech world, their versatility is highly sought after. Chapter 5. Game developer, level up your career. All right, for all you creative techies out there, how does becoming a game developer sound? I'm talking about designing and building the games that millions of people around the world are obsessed with. Plus, the gaming industry's booming, so there's never been a better time to jump in. Chapter 6. Graphic designer painting the digital canvas. Next up, we've got graphic designers, the visual storytellers of the digital age. They take ideas and translate them into visually stunning graphics that capture our attention and communicate messages effectively. With the rise of social media and digital marketing, the demand for talented graphic designers is higher than ever. Chapter 7. Data engineers, the data whisperers. They're the ones who build the pipelines and infrastructure that allow us to collect, store, and analyze massive amounts of data. It's a highly technical field, but it's also one that's in incredibly high demand as companies increasingly rely on data to drive their operations. Outra unlock your future in IT. So there you have it. A glimpse into the future of IT and some of the most unusual and in-demand jobs that await. If you're feeling inspired and want to explore these opportunities further, I've got something special for you. Just click the link in the description below to join our job channel and take your career to the next level. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more career insights, and share this with your friends who are ready to level up their careers in the exciting world of IT.